What's up? Well, when I'm away from that, go to I be no what's that. I'm out. Then that's not too we for my. If for my, you better, you're quarantine in the Gabia. Nagi was ya yo.
See?
What's that? I walk a letter. I have a man's. I will not hear the eye. Don't drink the Gabia. Never. A big way by you. My walking my one.
You see?
I walk a letter. Hey, Mamma Ganuzu. Eh? Manuzu. Ata. Mama guys, as money on a better, you're for double blessing, Mary.
You see?
As a new guys, I'm working one. You're not put my beer by human Mary.
You see?
The way do I know you to the and don't at all, man, don't at all, don't at all double blessing. I want to handle all over the world. Don't have been a temple I beg you. I go up or collect. You must really hear in the higher.
You see?
I feel I know what you know. Tata wa forget about the morning again as on the man's a cheerful. Not going to remember when I'm away feels and which it one more. Wessing. If one may lie, Melody in the Gabia, where you are, you ever. I don't want to ever come now. I have to work with the premier and make any.
You see?
I don't know if you could have gone walk. You can do without lie all. Men kind of walk. I sit down quick, I know, so he can my walk a little one. Cái này nhon cái cái đồ là lại rồi mấy cái nào bỏ ông quý cái này nhon xin đi cái mai nói em qua số nhon qua đây ba ra chuột bỏ cái này mười thì mấy xin à cái này nhon cái đồ là lại rồi mấy cái nào bỏ không có quý cái gì vậy xin đi cái mai thì cái mình cái mỏng hoa nhon đây ba chuột mỏng cái mỏng hoa nhon đây ba chuột gì không mà mấy đi bỏ chậm bỏ số cái này nhon ta cái ba pro nói I didn't go watch to the men and I'm away and go to one Magonishi or more than Igbo. Nagonishi, the children of the temple and friends of the temple. Nago was in this home Igbo. A bob no yana. They were Obioma, and the Bassarat and Igbo now. I must. A bocono no apple. Eh? No, now, Obia, Onobial, where's Wezu, all Eze-na-ebiokwu. Eto abụnya bụ nna akpụ dị ụmụ ejima akpụ ya na nke unu du ebịa unu abịa zubere ọrị wee na-asịdo ihe anyị na-ayọ bụ na ọ ga-adịrị nwoke na nwaanyị ọbụla bịara ebe a onye ọbụla bụ ihe ọma n'obi wee bịa na-akpọkwa unu gụọ agbọ kaleta na mmụọ niile gị na-asụ ata ata bụ ụbọchị afọ anyị na-awapụrụ ụlọ ọjị wee na-asị ka anyị nụ ntaka ọjị wee na-asị ka ihe ọma mee taa awapụrụ ọjị na ihe ọma ya eme n'ụwa ndị elu na ndị ana kwetara na ihe ọma ihe n'ụbọchị tata na ya gazie a sị ka ọ gazie na afọ abụna gazie na afọ abụna gazie n'eji gazie n'oge ya kana n'ụbọchị na ya ọjị na wapụrụ n'ụbọchị taa ihe ọma dị iche ka anyị na-eme a na-asị ya meela anyị n'ụbọchị taa a na-asị ka anyị nọ ntakọ ọjị ihe ọma mee ọma dị n'elu ya dara anyị na ọdịnala ya pụrụ anyị elu ụwa were anya ha wee pụọ ihe anyị ya gazie.
Sir, can you tell us a brief history about this river called Eze-na-ebiokwu and the Akpo Kalete that was discovered beside it?
Eze is a big stream, very long. The fountain of this Eze River started from Nnewi, Akamiri. I have been to that place. They fall from rock. Now, down across, bypass Nnewi, Ozobro, Orifite, Atane, and join Niger. So when I was small, this particular Eze River was so big to the extent that it covers from this side reach those Abu Okalete area. So we don't swim reach this side those days when we are small. So then, but as time goes on, for the fact that our fathers, who happens to be traditionalists in the long past, they are no longer practicing tradition. So this particular, my clan side of this Eze River was filled with thick forest. Nobody agrees to come this side again. Even when I came back to tradition, I used to cross to the other side of the road, where people that normally do this cassava harvesting and the bitter leaf of a thing. Yes. So that side is very busy. So people normally go that side. But one day, as I'm walking, I used to walk that side. One day, my Ezumezu came to me and asked me to go back to my own portion of that Eze river that is in my own land, our family land. So that is how I came to this place. This place was very thick forest. So when I came here, I engaged some men. To the extent that we cleared some of this portion. So I see down there where we have the kind of stake. I spent some money, I will build it. That's where we used to walk, do our spiritual work. That time I was told that I will build a small obi beside this river where people can always come and see it, maybe do their ritual stuff and pray, maybe rest. So, but many times I keep ignoring that aspect of building that obi. But till recently, to cut the whole story short, till recently, I was told that this apple that's by the riverside of this Eze, that the apple came together with Eze, that I should henceforth be in charge of taking care of those apple collectors, offering sacrifices, taking people to those apple to pray because of great work that apple okalete does. Apple okalete is a part of Ndimri. In fact, in olden days, or any community that doesn't have stream or river for water work normally go to where Akpo Okalete is located. Meaning, Akpo Okalete is also a branch of Ndimri. So you can actually go to Akpo Okalete and perform Ndimri rituals. In Eze River here, it is not allowed for you to be killing animal blood here. Instead, it's better to offer those blood sacrifices to Akpo Okalete, then offer those eatable things to the water elements. That is how this place is arranged. As you can see, we are doing some small work here, clearing some of this bamboo stuff. So, because we are making chance where we can build to be a small house of a thing where people can actually come and rest a while, maybe even rest and prepare their spiritual work and offer their sacrifices to Eze River. So Eze, in nutshell, Eze is in the full name, how we normally call it, Eze-na-ebiokwu. Yes, all Obona Sirike, any work that is very strong, and they bring it before Eze. Believe in me, that particular problem will be addressed. So this Eze, as you can see it, with the Akpo Okalete, they are together. So if you have any question, further question, or you want to ask me on WhatsApp, chat me on WhatsApp 0805 7837672. I repeat 0805 7837672. Remember my social media platforms is Ogbuefi Eze-Ana. This name you can see me on Facebook or TikTok. Now if you want to be watching what we are doing on Eziokwu TV, you can also go to Eziokwu TV on YouTube. You can see some of these activities like this interview you are seeing here. Very soon you will see it in Eziokwu TV on YouTube. Thank you.